So here we have an ENCO 20-inch swing geared head mill drill, 230 volt, single phase. It appears to be unused. This is probably a demo model. There's no metal shavings on it at all whatsoever. We checked all the functions. Everything appears to work. It includes the Analam Wizard 411 2-axis DRO. I'm going to show you that everything works here. Okay, we'll have it powered up. Hear it run. We went through all the gears, all the speeds. That's forward, now reverse. Okay, show you that this works. This is your down feed. Okay, that's your wheel on the front. And you can just back this off, and you do a manual down feed this way. Okay. It's going to show you that the DRO does operate. Screen's a little bright there. Can't really quite see it. You can get on an angle there. There's your X-axis, which is probably hooked. It's probably hooked up wrong. That's one in the front. That's probably your Y, and then your Y-axis. Okay, we checked most of the functions on the DRO. This all works on here. Okay, then it has a power feed table. Now the power feed table, unfortunately, this little on-off switch broke. Okay, that'll need to be replaced. However, it was broken off on the on position. So let's just show you. There's a rapid switch. There's the variable speed, of course. We checked all the components on here. Everything appears to work fine on it. And we thank you for looking at our product.